Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this coming set of videos we will talk about NestJS with MySQL and TypeORM, which is actually an ORM which will help you to deal with the MySQL entities. In previous set of videos we talked about how NestJS can deal with the MongoDB. We were using Mongoose module, npm module, and we were able to insert, update, delete data from customer model. Okay. In this video, we'll move further and we'll talk about NestJS with MySQL. Okay. Here we need these three different modules: NestJS TypeORM, and MySQL or MySQL 2. Okay. These minimum three modules you have to install. So what you can do is npm install --save NestJS TypeORM, and MySQL. Okay. Now, coming back to how we should first configure the database connection. So TypeORM is already, MySQL with NestJS already providing us this module NestJS TypeORM, where you just need to provide the connection type. Like type is MySQL, it can be Postgres. Based on database configuration type, it will actually try to establish a connection based on the host, port, username, password you are providing. Okay, and you also need to provide all the entities, database entity classes which you are going to create in your project. So this is like in previous video we were doing mongoose module.for root and we were providing the MongoDB URL. In same way, here when we are talking about NestJS with MySQL, you have to do TypeORM module.for root, provide your database connection configuration which contains entities, username, password, host, port, type. Okay, based on this it will try to connect to the database, and if there is a failure, it will not start your NestJS application. Okay, once this is done, this is a step one. First of all, you install the module, then create a database module, put this TypeORM module.for root. Currently we will be hard coding these configurations, but these configurations which we are passing username, password, these can be configured from a config module. We will be writing one separate module which will be config module, which will feed the configuration data throughout the application at different places like port, environment, MySQL details, logging details, when to enable logger, when to disable logger, all these things. Okay, and later what we will do, we will create entities like here. So this we are using MySQL with TypeORM. TypeORM is actually an ORM which is actually, you can say, have a similar kind of concept which we see in Java entity ORMs like Spring ORM and all, Hibernate, where we used to use these annotations: annotation entity, annotation column, annotation primary generated column. Same kind of concept we are using. We are using these TypeScript annotations: entity, primary generated column. So ID is a primary key, first name is a column, is active is a boolean column. So this is actually MySQL table we are creating user entity. Okay, and to the database, while starting the database we have to pass all the entities here and in the entities array. Step 1, this is step 2, and step 3 is I'm started writing my feature module, which can be user module, product module, uh, any other module, and there I will be injecting this user entity using TypeORM module.for feature. This is same as we have done in the Mongoose module with NestJS. First we were initializing the connection, then we were creating a schema model, then in the third we created a customer module. In the customer module there we have written Mongoose module.for feature and provided a customer model, right? In this video it's just a difference is we are using MySQL. Step 1, we have to TypeORM module.for root, provide configuration. Step 2, create your all entities: user, product, customer, item, cart, all the entities which you need. Step 3, now start creating your feature modules: user module, product module, and in those modules you have to explicitly specify that this module wanted to access the user entity, so that in the services we can inject the user repository, which is a TypeORM terminology: user repository, product repository, that we will be injecting in the user service, and through the controllers you will be able to do any kind of operation on this table. Okay, so we will also talk about how TypeORM works, what is TypeORM, and in coming set of videos we will talk about auth APIs using JWT and all. But in the coming videos we will talk, our focus will be on MySQL, defining the relationship between the different entities, how to configure the database connection, how to create all these entities, how to define the relationship in these entities, one to one, one to many, many to many. So we can pick any kind of use case like a shopping cart application where we have a different entities and we wanted to define the associations and all. Okay, we can pick anything for this. So let's get started. In the next video, what we will do is we have to actually set up Docker for this. Okay, I mean we will be using the MySQL as a container and Node.js as a container. Node.js will talk to MySQL for accessing it. So we will have MySQL container. The Node.js container and MySQL will be able to talk to each other. Then we will write our code and we'll start from there. Thanks everyone.